Good morning, folks. Welcome to an Oz Cyclone Chasers Daily Weather App. Today, the 19th of the 2nd, 2023. My name's Chris Nitzo. This update brought to you by TownsvilleSheds.com. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed-safe, accredited shed. All right, where we got rain this morning, we've got quite a bit of storm activity here in the Gulf of Carpentaria, potentially impacting parts of the Gulf country there right near the coast. We've got widespread light patchy rain across the northern interior. We've got a very isolated bit of light patchy rain pushing into southern and central western parts of the state. We've got a few showers around northeast Queensland, although much reduced compared to yesterday. Rainfall in the 24 hours till 9 o'clock this morning, thanks to the Bureau of Meteorology. We have seen most of our heaviest falls around Townsville and up in the Cassowary coast as well. We've also seen some good falls up in the very localised good falls up in the Daintree and widespread good rainfall across northwest Queensland. Thankfully, a lot of the heavier falls have pushed south of the Gulf country over the last 24 hours. Unfortunately, those showers and storms are going to increase in the Gulf country for the next 24 hours. And we also saw some generally light falls from showers and thunderstorms across southern inland Queensland. Right, looking at this afternoon for convection, we can see quite a bit of convection across parts of the Gulf country. We can see lots of showers and isolated thunderstorms around the Cape as well. Lots is probably an overstatement. A few showers and isolated thunderstorms across the Cape. We can see some showers and storms across southern inland Queensland into central inland Queensland and also potentially across the Downs and near the border areas there. As we progress through the afternoon, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m, we see more significant convection pushing further westwards across inland Queensland, and then we see a continuation of showers and storms into the dusk hours, and also just a slight increase in showers and storms through the evening, late afternoon, evening period across western parts of the Cape. Outside of that, a couple of showers around northeast Queensland today. The expectation overnight that we could start to see some more shower activity around the Whitsundays, Mackay area, maybe across southeast Queensland as well, maybe an isolated shower or two developing overnight early in the morning. Tomorrow looks a little bit showery across central Queensland, and on Tuesday we're expecting to see some heavier rainfall developing around northern central Queensland, southern northern Queensland. More details on that coming up later over the next couple of days. Or if you'd like to know more about it now, you can head over to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au. Check out our subscription options where we deep dive into everything going on in the next 24 to 48 hours and also deep dive into what's happening into the future. Right, rainfall between now and when we talk again tomorrow. You can see some localised showers and thunderstorms across southern inland Queensland, central inland Queensland. I suspect there might be a little bit more go about some convective activity through here around that Downs and border area. Obviously, the main area of showers and thunderstorms is expected to be around the Gulf country. We're also expecting quite a few showers around northeast Queensland over the course of 24 hours, and we're expecting to see some showers and storms across the Cape area. You'll notice a little bit of an increase in shower activity through central Queensland. Most of that's starting to happen overnight tonight into early tomorrow, but we're still not expecting substantial rainfall by early tomorrow in that area. Winds today, southeasters. If you're in central and north Queensland, not a great time to be on the water. Southeasterlies, pretty solid, 15 to 20s across the region. There might even be an odd place that gets 20 to 25 through the day. Remember, these are sustained winds, so sustained winds obviously are not wind gusts. Wind gusts can be a fair bit higher than what the sustained winds are showing here. So once again, not a great time to be on the water. Even southeast Queensland to a certain extent isn't exactly great today. It starts off pretty good, and then we start to get that easterly flow developing even into southeast Queensland by the end of the day. Overnight tonight, continuation of that east to southeasterly flow into tomorrow. Thanks for watching this update. We'll have another chat tomorrow morning.